Are we live? Oh, we're live. Hey, kia ora, Helen and Zephy here. We have Zephy's barkbox, one of three. We're opening one today, one tomorrow, and one on Sunday. So, as you can see, Zephy's like, what is going on here? She goes, all right, so we've got those open. All right, you ready, Zephy? We should put a light on. Oh. As you can see, Zephy's already in there. Ooh, what's this thing? Hey, Zeph? What have we got here? We've got the Playlene. This one looks like... This one crinkles and it squeaks. What else is in there, Zephy? Well, she's got the toy. We've got a dog treat here, one of the beef stick thingamybobs. This one's called Thinkers. There's a, looks like a UFO here. Squeaks, crinkles. And Zephy's off with, no, we haven't got hold of that. Oh, there we go. Oh, and then we've got the alien. Take me to, see, hang on, just wait. It says, take me to your dog. It squeaks, it crinkles. You got that whole head in your mouth. We have the duck stick recipe for a duck stick. There's a couple of chew sticks in there made for the ducks. We have Baba jerky bites. She loves these. These are lamb. And we've got the swimmy jerky bars, which is the salmon recipe. And so let's meet. Pull this out here. We can see we can meet the crew. Okay, so she's got the little alien guy here. She's got, what the heck does that say? Maybe I should have put a light on. Zephy the Petty. And then, this is really hard to read. The UFO. Yeah, well, we knew that one. And the alien. So, this is her bark box. I don't even remember which month this one is. So, here's Zephy the Petty. He's got crinkly legs, a squeaky body. He's pink and purple and teal. What do you think of that one? The UFO. So this one crinkles a little. Although this feels really nice. It's got this really nice material on it. And it squeaks. Zephy's not waiting for me to remove the tags. She just took the tag off. And then we have ARF. We've got ARF, which is Alien Retriever Friend. It says, take me to your dog on its shirt. Crinkly body, crinkly arms, squeaky head. What do you think of that one? Do you want a treat? Let's try you on the lamb. I'm going to do the Baba jerky bites, the lamb recipe. Sit. Zephy, sit. This is what they look like. Up. Get back. Sit. Zephy, sit. Sit. I said sit. Stay. This is what they look like. Just little jerky bars. Good girl. As you can see, they don't last long. Let's see if she'll do a trick for the swim. We'll try the swimmy ones with the salmon recipe this time. Let's see. Well, these ones are a little larger, so we could break these down and get a couple of tricks out of her for this. She loves sitting on the hump. Sit. You want to show people how clever you are. Mm-hmm. Yeah? Can you shake? Good shake. There you go. Can you high five? Good girl. Okay, and now for sit pretty. Sit pretty. Come on, sit pretty. Come on, up, 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 up. There you go. Good girl. Mwah. So there's Zephy's bark box. You like your bark box? Should we try another one tomorrow? You say, it's my birthday. I'm 4 years old today. Yeah? You go say thank you for all the birthday wishes you've got so far today. Good girl. You say, we'll see you guys tomorrow for another bark box.